M mayúscula, M minúscula. This is going to be a video about reading syllables, and we're going to start with the letter M. Okay, este será un video de cómo leer sílabas en español. Okay. M would be the sound of the letter M, which you already know, the same as in English, M. And in Spanish, letter A is A. Always A. M, A. By the way, if you need to slow this video down, you can just go to the settings button and just make it slower. M, A, ma. M, E, me. M, I, mi, me. M, O, mo. M, U, mu. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Those are the syllables with M. Okay, there's more syllables than the simple ones I'm going to show you, but for beginning reading, this will be sufficient for now. So ma, me, mi, mo, mu. The a, e, I, o, u part never changes in Spanish. Those a is always sounds like a. The letter I, which is e, always sounds like e. I always sounds like I. O always sounds like o. And u always sounds like u. Those are completely constant and never change. And most of the sounds are constant and don't change, but there are some changes. So let's keep going. Mi mamá me ama is a sentence you could write with just using sílabas with M. Okay, so mi mamá me ama. Let's see if you can read the next one on your own. The difficult thing here is for you to remember the sounds of the vowels. So remember, they don't change and they do not sound like the vowels in English. So the first one is amo. Amo a mi mamá. Okay? Very often people might say amo a mi mamá. And it's just amo a mi mamá. It's just, getting your ear trained to say the sound the way it should be. So amo a mi mamá was the last one, and mi mamá me ama was the first one. P mayúscula, P minúscula. Did you hear a p pop sound? Sometimes the letter P sounds like you're saying a hard letter B. Okay, so just keep that in mind. P, A, pa. E, P, I, pi, O, po, U, pu, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. And I apologize for cutting that off at the bottom. Okay, so these letters sound like pa, pe, pi, po, pu. It does not sound like pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Okay, that is just a little too much for the letter P in Spanish. Sounds more like a really hard B, or like the end of the word pa, pa, pe, pi, po, pu. With the sílabas with the letter P, you can make words like papá, which is dad. You read this one. That is pipa. Again, what's difficult about reading new words is that you might say pipa. But again, that harder P, that breathy P is too strong in Spanish. So it's just pipa. Try the next one. That might have been a bit harder. That is just pepe. Pepe. So that's papá, pipa, pepe. Pepe is just a word. So papá is dad, pipa is pipe, and Pepe is just somebody's name. Okay, now combining the syllabus with the letter M and the syllabus with the letter P, you might combine some and write puma. You could write mapa. Now, puma is just puma, and mapa is map. Okay, try this sentence. Okay, that is mi papá me ama. Mi papá me ama. My dad loves me. Okay, this one is mamá ama a papá, which is mom loves dad. Okay, let's continue quickly because we've already spent nearly 6 minutes. So the letter S sounds just like the English sound. So here we go. It's going to be sa, se, si, so, su. No surprises, right? Sa, se, si, so, su. Next is letra L, which sounds like L, the L in English. So it's la, le, li, lo, lu. Letra L sounds like letter L in English. La, le, li, lo, lu. Okay, letra T is a little bit like letra P, where the P in English is kind of breathy and the T in English has, some breath at the end, or in the middle, or in the beginning, somewhere. So letra T hardly has any breath behind it, so it's T. So here we go. That's ta, te, ti, to, tu. I don't know if you could hear the difference. It's not ta, te, ti, to, tu. That's a bit much for the Spanish sound. So it's ta, te, ti, to, tu. Okay. Letra D has 2 sounds. So the first one is da, de, di, do, du. The next one is da, de, di, do, du. Like them or that. So the first one was da, de, di, do, du. And the second one is da, de, di, do, du. Okay. Letra R has 2 sounds. First one is ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Not at all like the English one. The second sound is ra, re, ri, ro, ru. I hope you could tell the difference there. The first one is ra, re, ri, ro, ru. The second one, ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Okay, letra N, the sound is just like the English sound. So that would be na, ne, ni, no, nu. Na, ne, ni, no, nu. Okay, letra F sounds like the English F. So that's fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Letra B has 2 sounds because it's interchangeable with letra V. So that's just ba, be, bi, bo, bu. But you might hear it in spoken Spanish as va, ve, vi, vo, vu. It really doesn't matter how you say it. It's interchangeable for the most part. Some people will try to tell you it's not. Tell them it's all good. Okay, going on with letra J. That sounds like ja, je, hi, jo, hu. Oh, I guess I forgot to tilt these. Okay, so that was ja, je, hi, jo, hu. Okay, letra Che. Some people will say it's not a letter. That's fine. We're still going to include it here. Letra Che sounds like cha, che, chi, cho, chu. No surprises there. And then letra Ñ, which is an additional letter we have in Spanish. Ñ sounds like ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. That's difficult to say even for me. So again, that's ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Okay, next is letra V. Letra V is interchangeable with letra B. So that's going to be va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Or if you want to pronounce it the other way, that's also okay. Okay. Next letra is letra Ey. Ey is ya, ye, yi, yo, you. Didn't tilt it. There we go. And then next is letra Z. Sa, se, si, so, su. You'll notice that letra Z is just a simple S sound. Okay, then we move on to letra H, which for the vast majority of the time has no sound, so it sounds like A, E, I, O, U. And letra Y sounds like Ya, Ye, Yi, Yo, You. Okay, letra C is special. Letter C, because it's C, you know, letter C, but it makes a K sound. So here we go. Ga, Se, Si, Go, Ku. Okay, so let's do the next one. Ga, Se, Si, Go, Ku. Now, if you want to write ke or ki, you will have to use the letter Q or the letter K. And I'll just tell you now, we don't use the letter K. We use the letter Q. So, ke and ki, you will have to use the letter Q to write that sound. Okay, so it's ga, se, si, go, ku, and then ke and ki will belong to the letter Q. Okay, thank you so much. Remember, you can always go back and slow down the video. And remember that this video is not for kids to be watching. It's much too long. It's for parents to watch so that they can be sure that their kids are learning the sounds correctly and that they can say the syllables. Okay, thank you very much. This has been great to share with you.